Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Moto Trackday project. I wanted to record this video because it's in its beta. So I've already picked this game, but in the bottom left you see I have IDR. That's how much money you have. When you first play this game, you got like 15 million, and you have to go into the dealership. There's only two $15 million bikes, which is the ones up there. And then I got this bike right here. I'll show you guys. And basically you just have to go into your garage, equip it, ride it. And I'm a mobile, so there's these arrows on the bottom left and then these pedals on the right. The ones that look like brakes are just reversing. If you're on computer, it's probably much better, I feel like. And you can race in here. I'm not gonna race. And then if you drive long enough, you see at the top, you earn money. I'm not that good at the game because I only started like 2 days ago. Easy drift. The people have insane cars. And you can transfer money in this game. But I'll show you after. No. Yeah, there's barriers. And if you guys have any video ideas for me, put in the comments below. And if you want me to play other games, sure. But I can play Minecraft, FC Mobile, or yeah, Roblox. Let's get to 10 subs, I hope. For now. I'll do a name review at like 20 subs. But my friend says he's already said my name once in my video. But you probably guys haven't heard it yet. But I'll tell you when I get to 20 subs. And then, yeah, this is the game. And you go here. I'll go into the spawn area because people are AFK there and I can show you something. Get off. Oh, my motorcycle just went flying. Okay. So you can go here. You see these people here. You can there's a button here and then you can transfer the money. And then you put the amount of money, but then you need to buy the alpha tester game pass. So, yeah, and then there's a shop to get your money, of course. And there's the code I've already redeemed. I forgot what it was. The T on the left bottom, British. And then promo codes, the codes, pretty sure there's one on the front page. And also, yeah, that's pretty much the game. I don't know what this button up here does. Oh, it gives you a helmet. Okay. Okay, I'll spawn in the car, motorcycle. I'm gonna try to get to 10 mil. I don't do races unless I'm in a public server with my friend. Private server. Why the hell can I not move? What? But just for you guys, I'll race. Oh, it's ongoing. Never mind. I'll just go find another race because there's other races around the map. You can't go into any buildings yet. And this game's still in its beta, so there will be bugs. And also, if you guys want to chat tag, you can get the content creator one by just posting a video on this game on YouTube. This game is like fun, but I mean, it's pretty laggy for me. I'm playing on my iPad too right now, so I'll be much better if I go onto my newer iPad. But that one's like needs to charge. 10 mil. Let's do this. I know not many of you watch my videos, but just saying the name of the channel. I know how to change it, but I can't change it. And that's not my name. Oh, 500,000. Can't stop. Ah, stop. Never mind. It's alright. 8.7 mil. I'll go over here. I'm pretty sure there's like a race over here. I've never been here. Wait, hold up. I might not have seen this. Maybe those of you have played this game, but I'm just gonna get off. Jump. Get my motorcycle out. Let's see what this is. I've actually never seen this. Ooh, wait. You can like repair, like change colors right here. Oh, you might need to pay Robux, but I have some Robux. Bike model. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Go back. Oops. Go forward, man. I just walk. Oh, I need my bike. Bruh. Okay, guys. Sorry for that lag, but I glitched out somehow. So, I'm just gonna go back into the game. Try to find that place again. But, am I still recording? Yeah, I am. Okay. So, I'm just gonna do that last thing. Try to get to 9 million coins, and then I'll end the video. Get my motorcycle out. Ooh, wait, there's a race. I'm gonna go do that. I'm lagging. Okay, everyone's here. Wait, what's my ping? Oh, 200. What type of servers am I playing in, bro? Is this way. I'm just gonna try to find that thing. Oh, crashed. And also, please subscribe to my friends' channels. I link them in the comments. I mean, in the description and comments. And also our Discord server. Ooh. Okay. Get off. Okay, I'll just go this way. Let's go now. I'm gonna be at 9 mil. Yeah, I'm at 9 mil now. Should I go find that place? If I don't, then I'll just end the video, I guess. There's like 10 right here, right? No, one place. It's like this way. Oh wait, no, this way. Oh shit, the drifts. 10 right. Yeah, here. Where's one? Perfect. Now I can do my bike modification.
Turn on your play now.
Sorry guys, that was my sister. Okay, this is my name review anyways. My name's Travis. So like, never mind. My sister exposed me, I guess. Doesn't work. Maybe I need to go like over here. I'ma just like get my 10 mil and end the video there. I'm so close. Yeah, I got my 10 mil. I'll end this. Ooh. Okay, flip. Okay, there we go. That is the end of the video. So guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video. And make sure to join my Discord too. And subscribe to my friends too. Thank you. Yeah, that was cringe.